So I got a question about what I'm using to decouple the paver from the wire shelving here. It's a really good question, and actually it's a really good thing to decouple your printers from whatever they're printing on because it can resonate and make a lot of noise. I actually bought that roll of foam so I could use it just for all of my printers. And these are these kind of exercise mats that you just get anywhere. It's like 20 bucks for a pack. I had a bunch left over from making costumes. And I actually also use it as a kind of tabletop for these wire shelves, because if you don't decouple this from the wire shelf, oh man, this thing goes nuts. Same thing with these shelves though, and I don't have it on these two, and it's a mistake. What I found as well is that it's important to like cut a little square of it to go on the corners, because if you do the whole thing, it's too much foam, and this sits up like this high, and then it kind of is wobbly. You don't want it to be wobbly when sitting up on this. You want it stable, and so just cutting 4 little squares to go on each corner keeps it steady and stable, but also keeps it up off of all this stuff. Now I also did it for the bamboos, except I didn't put the foam because these things move so fast that no small amount of foam could keep them from wobbling like this. It was crazy. So they just have just the paver on the exercise mat, and you know what? They're still loud. But the noise from these is not from the movement anymore, because that paver does take care of most of it. It's because the fans are freaking, they're loud. So that's like a whole nother video. And there are 9 printers here. They're all off so that I could finish making this video before I start new prints. And if I didn't have them on pavers and foam, this would resonate like crazy just through the framing of the house. So definitely recommend going to the garden center, get yourself a paver, get yourself some foam. I'll put some links to the foam on the video description if that helps. And good luck making things quiet.